Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. This evening I go cook kidney, yeah, beef kidney and cornmeal dumpling. I go brown stewy, yeah. So guys, watch all go on in the kitchen. You don't know when you come on Nicholas kitchen, I be a badness. You understand what I mean? Yeah, so guys, what I go do? I go and cut up the kidney and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand what I say? Soon come back. Yeah guys, so see my kidney, me cut up my kidney, what I go do? I go light up the stove and I'm gonna see what I go on in the kitchen. You understand what I did? Yeah, I go brown my kidney. Yeah, so guys, watch what I go on in the kitchen. So guys, what I go do now, I go put a little bit of sugar in my oil to go and burn. Don't know about this already. Not too much. This good. Put a little bit more. Yeah, so that I it. I go put some back season. Season up my kidney. Hard purpose. I'm gonna use some Maggi hard purpose every. You guys don't know me no love a whole heap of bag seed, you understand what I mean? Yeah guys, so I put me the meat in I pot my liver. You go and cook. Guys, just watch what I go on in the kitchen. I'll be a badness. Yeah guys, so I'll cut up some ground season, carrot, onion, pepper, scallion and thyme. Guys, I broke my knife, bro. Yeah, you don't know about me already. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys, so I gone so. Yes, my liver. Be badness, guys. Be badness, liver and dumpling. Guys, just stay tuned for the finishing look. I'm a brown stew liver and cornmeal dumpling. So I gone over here, so guys. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned for the finishing look. Me soon come back, guys. I'll be a badness in our kitchen. Yeah, don't know anything set up. Yeah, guys. So lock off my salting pot, make the flour go and soak a little bit more, and make no see what go on. Soon come back, guys. Yeah, guys. So what you are going in I pot here, so see that. Yeah. So guys, I go dish out it, and make no see what go on in the plate. Understand what I did? Yeah. Yeah, guys. So this is the finishing look. I'm a kidney and dumpling, brown stew kidney and cornmeal flour. Yeah, guys, you don't know about badness go. So I go on. Guys, a long time you know eat kidney, you know. Yeah. So guys, see you in our next video. I'm out.